So here's another video, and it's going to answer question number 3. And I think this is going to be the last video that I'm going to do on this individual. And for you, sir, I know you're listening. I'm not going to do another video because I'm just getting as frustrated as you seem. Like you're very frustrated when you're talking about the flat earth and how stupid we are. It gets you angry that instead of just laughing it off, oh, you silly people, you're actually angry about it. You're defending your matrix, I understand. But right here, you're going to talk about a certain topic. You said the stars. This already been answered. Maybe this is why you've only posted like 2 flat earth videos. It's because you probably were debunked by somebody before, and you understand not to come at the flat earth people. So if you draw on a flat earth map, obviously if you're in Australia and then someone else is in America, you're not viewing the same sky. If the earth is so huge, like you guys say, it's huge, you can't see the curve. But you're one of the people that says, oh, you could see the curve. Look at the horizon. Look at the ocean. There's a curve. And then there's round earth people that say, oh, you can't see the curve. So you guys are not in agreement in a lot of things, and so are we. But your things are more obvious, and you guys just seem like liars. I wish I can become a believer in round earth again. No one has given me, if I am hypnotized to believe in flat earth, like no one is doing a good job into awaken me from my flat earth dream. So all I see is how we were deceived and how you keep deceiving. Again, if there is evidence out there for someone to make me a round earth believer again, please demonstrate it, display it to me, because no one's doing a good job. Now, like I said, we all share the same, we're all on a flat disc. The U.S. sky and the Australian sky, we don't share that same point of view, is what I'm trying to say. So that's why you'll see different constellations. I do have a question for you. I want to know that if we've been around, okay, for 5 billion years, and we've been rotating, and not only rotating, we're going 55,000 miles through space with the sun traveling. Why is it that we still, like you were saying, oh, we have all these patterns in the sky, the constellations and stuff like that? Why after billions of years, let's say human history, the recordings of human history, everything that the Mayans recorded, the Aztecs, and the constellations and everything, why thousands of years later into our time compared to their time are we seeing the same constellations in the same places? Isn't everything moving in space and moving away from each other? So can you answer that question? Because you seem like you know everything, and I want to hear it from you. But I'm going to play this video so people can understand what you're saying and what I'm saying.
So we have disc, and on this disc, right here is our North Pole, and right here is our South Pole. Okay. Now, interestingly enough, the South Pole is all the way around the fucking goddamn planet. Whatever.
You're so mad.
Stupid. But anyway, we have our continents in the middle here. Okay, and our continents, basically wrapping this way, is our east and our west. Okay. So we have star clusters that we can see, star formations in the north area that we cannot see in the southern. Now the southern has their own as well. Okay. Just simply by the circumference of this and the size of it, you should already be able to tell what's wrong with this model. Okay. West and east. Okay, let's say that these are the stars that we share, which is not actually very accurate. It's an impossibility, because these stars on the outside of here can actually be seen by portions over here, right? Because it wraps around. Okay, but what this suggests is if you're on this portion of the South Pole, you would see stars that this portion of the South Pole could not see. That's what it would suggest. You couldn't see them. Different stars. Same thing happens.
You just said it right there.
That's you cannot see over here. Okay?
Because they're in different
This portion
places.
and this portion would share these stars. This portion and this portion would share that. They would share this, and they would share this.
I believe it.
How in the fuck is it possible if you're on the South Pole and you can see all of these different stars and they wrap around? How's it possible that the stars that are right here somehow wrap around and the person over
That what you just said right there about seeing the stars over there. I've never heard a flat Earth person ever say that it's possible. I don't know if you made that up to make us look stupid. So explain that to me, because I agree with you there. You're not supposed to see it from there. So I don't know. You're totally twisting things around. Again, to me, my opinion, I think you're trying to defend your matrix, and you obviously, I'm sure you know you're deceiving people, and I think it is intentional. You're not just doing it because somehow your subconscious is reacting to reality. But the Earth is flat, and you are right. We can't see the stars that are over there, over here. I mean, you're right. I agree with you on that. You have to. I agree with you here that we're sharing that sky, and these 2 points will see this. And look, of course, different parts of the Earth, flat Earth. These stars belong in the sky, this part of the sky. Now you're over here. You can't see all the way over here. You're seeing. You look up. You look north. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about.
the stars that are right here somehow wrap around and the person over here can see them. Not only that, but on the South Pole, the amount of stars that you could see would be astronomical compared to the size of what you could see here at the North. I mean, it's so stupid. The whole thing is so dumb.
So just laugh about it.
Disproves a flat Earth. This in and of itself does.
No, you
Just star formations.
You just proved that the world is flat. You just proved it when you said, "Oh, these stars are visible here and this and that." This whole thing, you even draw a flat Earth map, and you try to debunk it, and you're supporting it without even knowing. It's so funny.
You can keep track of them. We know.
I just want to bring the video to the beginning.
They're full of shit. My first video because I was using the word retarded just means.
So I'm going to bring this.
Right.
I have a little problem.
People use the term retarded all the time. Things like chemistry when you're
with the questions that you're asking,
chemical
and your attitude towards everything, and how you pretend to be like from now
frame like this.
super intelligent. No one knows more than you, and you do something. It's the first thing I caught, but I did not address it. But just for laughs, you're gonna do a big mistake right here.
Computer generated anything like that. It gets rid of it. Space lab movies, all sorts of shit. And if you don't believe that, you can also look at the other countries that have space programs that have video from that shit too. It's retarded to think that somebody is faking that. It is the dumbest fucking thing. At the end of the day, whether the fucking planet is flat or it's a sphere, it does not change anything in your life, positively or negatively. So why lie? Why lie? It doesn't make any sense at all why there would be every country and every physicist and every geologist and every astronomer and everybody that basically has an IQ above 80, they would all be in on this great lie. It's stupid. But anyway, look, we got our sphere here. This is the equator. This is west. This is east. The planet travels in this direction on its spin. This is the axis of it on which it spins.
You're so smart, right? You got your west, your east, right? And you're gonna get your north and south. But you're so smart. You're talking so angrily, so cocky. Like you have all the answers. The stupid flat Earth retards came out, and we're all lying to everybody, and all that. But this is Earth access. So at the very beginning of your video, I mean, I'm a flat earther. I shouldn't be pointing this out to somebody who believes in the round, in the globe. you should know more than me about the world that you believe you live in. That's the axis on that tilt. The Earth is tilt. Um, I don't know. I've never seen this axis in any science book. So I mean, I'm actually reading the science books, and this, not just me, the flat earthers. Um, just you're not the first one. Don't feel bad. You're not the first one to uh, draw up a model or talk about the model. Some people show models of the globe spinning, and they're like, "Oh, I believe in the ball Earth," and the globe is spinning clockwise, the other way around. So before you guys start an argument, I mean, this is exactly what's happening. Um, well, with you guys and with the establishment, is that you guys just keep lying. You guys can't even fake anything properly. Like it's just sometimes I just watch the debunking videos like yours, because you guys make me laugh, because it's like the silly little mistakes you make me laugh because you can't even get your own axis right. This is what you're trying to present. Like you're coming with an argument, a scientific argument, and you don't even get the scientific fact right of the tilt of the Earth. I mean, if anyone is uh, hearing me saying this, and please put a comment, say that I'm wrong, or agree with me, because if you say that I'm wrong, like that's I mean, you just want to be like this guy right here. But that's okay. I'm happy believing in a flat Earth, because everything you guys say, it doesn't make sense. It does not make sense. It doesn't even make sense when you come with a presentation. This, if you were in school and you were given a science presentation on Earth, and you immediately come out and you're like, oh, the Earth's axis, and the professor should have stopped you right there. Like, oh, hold on, we got to correct something, because I don't want you to further make my class personnel, the students here, uh, stupid, because this is not correct. So whatever. I'm not gonna be doing any more videos because um, I'm not a bully. Like once I see that I'm winning something, I'm not gonna continue into the argument, because there's no need.
It is like a